Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipops for wreaths. First, gather your materials, including foam balls, wooden dowels, and colorful cellophane. We'll start by preparing the foam balls, ensuring they are smooth and ready for wrapping. Then, I'll guide you through attaching the dowels securely, creating a sturdy base for your festive decorations. This process is straightforward and perfect for adding a whimsical touch to any wreath. Now, let's get to assembling. Take your foam ball and firmly insert a 6-inch wooden dowel into its center, leaving about 4 inches exposed for the stick. Next, place the foam ball in the middle of a 10-inch by 10-inch cellophane square. Gather the cellophane around the ball and dowel, twisting it gently at the base. Secure this twist tightly with a piece of ribbon or a colorful twist tie to create the classic lollipop shape. Once your lollipops are assembled, it's time for the fun part, decorating. You can add a festive touch by tying a small bow or ribbon just below the cellophane twist. For extra sparkle, apply craft glitter or use acrylic paint to create stripes or polka dots on the foam ball before wrapping. Experiment with different colors and patterns to match your wreath's theme. These small details make a big difference. To attach your lollipops to the wreath, use a dab of hot glue on the dowel and press it firmly into the wreath base, or wrap floral wire around the stick and secure it. Make sure everything is firmly attached, especially if your wreath will be displayed outdoors. These handmade lollipops will add a unique, charming element to your holiday decor. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.